front of the original Pancake House in Huntington Beach on Adams and Brookhurst, and it is as it always is every weekend day. It is crowded and their people are waiting for tables. So let's hope this is as good as it sounds. Look at this amazingly cool car. I love it. I already decided what I'm ordering. I am not getting pancakes even though we're here at our Pancake House. I'm going to get corned beef hash and eggs. And I love corned beef hash. There's not a lot of women that do, but I do. And it always brings me back to an old classic cartoon strip called Bringing Up Father. It was about Maggie and Jiggs. They were Irish immigrants who were living in the slums of New York City. That is, until Jiggs hit the Irish sweepstakes, and they became fabulously wealthy. So they moved to a mansion in New York City, but that's where things changed because Maggie wants to assimilate into the modern day American family. Well, modern day for the early 20th century. But Jiggs, he still had his roots back in the old Irish neighborhood. And his favorite food was, of course, corned beef hash. And so here's to Jiggs. And that's what I'm going to be ordering.
Yeah, I checked the menu, and then I'm going to order fresh strawberry pancake. Because I saw the sign at outside the door, so it's a strawberry season. Yeah, decided a pancake. Yeah, we share the pancake and that hash beef stuff, and she talked about the story about the hash beef. Yeah.
Okay, well, I got my meal. Corned beef hash looks pretty good. Eggs, nice and fluffy. Let's see what they did on the eggs. And let me tell you how I like my eggs. I like the white set, runny yolk, and I would not want to cook eggs for me because I'm really picky. So let's see what we do. Ooh. They got it right. Yay! A little salt, a little pepper. Let's taste this bad boy.
Pancake is strawberry. I got a strawberry sauce pouring on this. Good.
One thing I forgot to tell you guys is I don't like spicy food, but I do love strong food. Onions, garlic, they're my friends. I love them.
That's good. The regular one is also good. And the butter here is amazing. Oishi. Strawberries. Even smells like strawberries. Great.
Before the original Pancake House was here, this used to be a Japanese restaurant by the name of Ayumi's. Matter of fact, the sign is still in the marquee out there. Anyhow, they went out of business. They were nice family-run sushi business. Japanese wife, American husband, and they were having labor troubles from what I understand. And then they bought a yakitori, which was expensive, and then they had ramen, and all this was adding to their costs. But their sushi was really pretty good, and I liked the atmosphere. and they always showed case closed videos there, which was kind of cool. But anyhow, we were thinking why this place went out of business. The rent was really high, and they had fish. They had to buy sushi grade fish. That's expensive. So you think about this place. They're open half a day until 2 o'clock. And what are they serving? What are their expenses besides labor and rent? They have flour, milk, eggs, and whatever kind of topping. That doesn't compare at all to sushi grade fish. So this place is a gold mine, and people keep on coming, and it never stops. So I know this place is doing well. As far as my lunch, I thought it was pretty good, except I thought the corned beef hash was pretty grisly. Sorry. And as we were leaving, we heard somebody talk that they were getting married here. This place has such a reputation that people would actually get married here. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, thank you, Jim. What did you think?
I had a pancake, and pancake was great because this is original Pancake House. Yeah, the Nancy gave me the extra the batter. Yeah, batter taste was great, and that's great. The double summer. Pancake, and I'm stuffed. Now I feel like American now.